Good morning, students. Are you doing your studies daily? Please pay attention and do your studies every day. So, in last chapter, what we have revised? We have revised time. What is time? Then days of week and again reading clock. I hope that you have understood to read clock, and today we are going to see new chapter, that is reading calendar. So calendar. As you know, students, do you know that which calendar we follow? You can see at your home Marathi calendar, Hindi calendar and Urdu calendar, and many more calendars are there according to their religion. But normally which calendar we follow in our daily life, that calendar is called Gregorian. 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 Which calendar we follow? We follow English calendar, that is Gregorian calendar. Okay. As you know in previous class that there are normally 12 months in a year. In 1 year, how many months are there? There are 12 months. How many months? 12 months. And what we read? We read this word Gregorian. Which calendar we follow? We follow normally Gregorian calendar. Okay, in our daily life. But there are more calendars you can see at your home. Now, students, how many months are there? Normally there are 12 months. You know their name: January, February, and so on. But how many days are there in a month? So, in some months there are 30 days and in some months there are 31. But in which month there is less day? So, in February there are normally 28 days. Okay. As you know, students, there are less days in month of February. That is 28 days. But after every 4 years, so after every 4 years, there are 29 days. There are 29 days after every 4 years. How many years? 4 years. There is 29 days in a month of February. That year is called, what we say that year? We call it leap, L-E-A-P year. That year is called leap year. So, why there are 29 days after every 4 years? We will see that. Okay. You can do other activities. Write names of month and write birth date of your parents, grandparents, your cousins, and so like this you can learn that names of month. It will help you to remember birthdays of your family members also and spelling also. Okay. Now we will see why there is leap year after each 4 years. Now, as you know, in year 2020 there was leap year. Now, in which century or which year it will fall? It multiple of 4. 221, 222, 223 and 224. So we will see multiple of 4 because it falls after every 4 years. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So next leap year will be in which year? 224. Students, do you understand that after every 4 years it falls leap year? And which calendar we follow? We follow Gregorian calendar. Gregorian. Repeat after me. Gregorian. Okay. Now why after every 4-year leap year comes? Because when Earth revolves around Sun, there are normally 365 days, but there are 6 hours in each year. 6 hours is more. So 6 multiplied by 4. In each year there is 6 year is increase. So in 4 years 6 4s are 24. Like this, one day is increase. One day is increase after every 4 years. I hope that you understand that which calendar we follow. We follow Gregorian calendar. After in which year leap year is there? When there are 29 days in February. Okay, and why there are 29 days? When Earth revolves around Sun, in every year 6 hours is increased. So after 4 years there is 24 hours, and that's why one day is increased in leap year. Revise your homework, revise your chapters and send your homework. Thank you.